science class. Today, I'm going to teach you everything I know about soil.
Soil? You mean like dirt?
That's right, Sam, like dirt. Except it's called soil.
Oh, can I help?
Yeah, you can. Soil is a mixture of weathered rocks, minerals, organic matter, air, and water. The first step is the breaking down of rock through a process called weathering. The rock breaks down into smaller and smaller materials until it becomes soil. That's not the only thing that's in soil. Soil also contains organic matter.
What's organic matter?
Well, good question, Sam. Organic matter is living things like trees and plants and animals that are broken down and end up as part of the soil.
Well, how do they get there?
Good question, Sam. I'm glad you asked. This forest floor is covered with litter. Decomposers, like bacteria and fungus, break down the organic matter. Insects and worms also help. Broke down organic material becomes humus. So the minerals in the rocks and the nutrients in the humus are used to grow new plants in the newly formed soil.
It's like recycling.
That's exactly what it is, Sam. The soil recycles old living things into new living things.
Cool.
Soils with a lot of organic matter will have a dark color, while soils without a lot of organic matter will have lighter colors. Soil particles are categorized by their size. Sand is the biggest, followed by silt, and then the smallest is clay.
Why does that matter?
Well, Sam, water doesn't flow very good between the particles of clay, but it flows really well between the particles of sand. So you need a mix of the soils to get good soil to grow plants in.
Oh.
Loam is the name we give to soil that is really good for growing plants. It's about 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay. Layers of soil with different properties are called horizons. The O horizon is the organic layer at the top, followed by the A horizon, which we usually refer to as topsoil. Then the B horizon is the subsoil with larger pieces of rock, and then finally the parent material is known as the C horizon. Tropical rainforests have pretty poor soils. Much of the nutrients are tied up in the trees and gets leached away with the heavy rains. Deserts also have poor soils. The lack of vegetation creates a lack of nutrients. This may look familiar. Lancaster County and the Cumberland Valley have some of the richest, most productive soils in the entire world. Here are some terms you want to remember from today.
Thanks for letting me help teach about soil, Mr. Kane.